Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt. We're at the Lenovo booth and they're showing off some really cool tech at CES 2025, and we've got Vico with us and he's going to talk to us about a new product here that has a little trick up its sleeve. What are we looking at?
Yeah, of course. Hello everyone, and this is Vico. And today I'm going to introduce the industry first rollable OLED PC. Actually, we call it Thinkbook Plus Gen 6 rollable. So you can see basically this is clamshell form factor, and it's like a 14-inch laptop. But the magic thing is, like, when I press this button, you can see the panel will go up. Actually, it will increase to 16.7-inch panel. So with portrait view, actually, first of all, you can see when you're browsing the website or using the whatever the email, it's very easy for reading, and also with very better visual experience. And also it's good for programming or do the article reading or the research analysis. And this is one, but secondly, we also built some smart features, like we call it Thinkbook Workspace. And first of all, it has some widgets here, actually for like reminder, to-do list, and calendar. All of these widgets are sync up with your Microsoft account. So you will know and the latest updates about your next meeting or important things. And secondly, we also have a feature like Smart Copy, and to copy all the contents you want at one time, and once you get ready and back to editing, so you can just double click it and it will paste to the document you're editing. And thirdly, we can also change the ratio of the workspace and become half and half. So that's a good ratio for multitasking, because at this larger screen, and the ratio actually is 8:9. So if we split the screen, it will go to 16:9 screen. So we can easily open a website, and or either I put on the upper side. Hold on a second. Let me open it. Yeah, and let me pin it. Either I can put on the upper side, or I can drag and drop and to put it in the lower side. So to support the multitasking. And last but not least, we also have another feature. We call it the virtual display. So imagine we are now in a conference or online meeting, and sometimes we need to do the present and share the content to the others. So, but with this larger screen, actually, I don't really want to share all the contents on my screen. So I can use this function if I open it. And now we will get a virtual desktop. So here you can see from the system setting, we can see there the system detects the second monitor. So we take it as a second virtual monitor. So you can see, and if I move the cursor from bottom, so the cursor is already in the second desktop. So you can only share the second desktop to the others and keep your personal stuff or chat box or whatever, the materials on the top, and to do the multitasking. Okay. And last one, so once you finish all of your work and you are ready to go, so not only pressing the button, but we can have second ways to control the rolling stuff, like use the gesture control. So you can see now it's detecting, and now it's ready to go. Yeah, it's cool, right? So basically, this product is based on Intel Ultra Lunar Lake platform, and with Ultra processor, and also it's also a Microsoft Copilot Plus PC.
Okay.
Yeah.
And now, is this available now? Is it coming out soon?
It's not available yet, but it will available in market in the first half of this year.
First half. Okay, so coming up pretty soon then.
Yes, exactly.
Excellent. All right, guys, we're seeing some really cool stuff here at the Lenovo booth. Make sure you stay tuned because we got more coming up from CES 2025.